plant becomes too large for its pot, then it needs to be split and replanted. Now I know you have previous experience in landscaping and planting plants in the ground. During today's lesson we will use some of the same techniques as we learned to split and replant an indoor plant. Can you tell me the first thing you would do if you were going to plant a plant in the ground?
Dig a hole.
Very good. You would dig a hole in the ground where you want the plant to go. Can you tell me how deep you would put the plant in the hole?
You want it deep enough in order for it to cover the roots and the base of the plant is buried.
Exactly. Very nice. You want to make sure the plant sits deep enough in the hole to cover the roots. When you fill the hole with soil, you will fill it up to the base of the plant so the foliage is above ground. Can you tell me the last thing you would do after planting the plant?
Water the plant.
Perfect. You want to water the newly planted plant with a watering can to help it grow. Sounds like you remember the basic steps of planting, so let's begin today's lesson. We will use the same basic techniques you are familiar with, but when replanting an indoor plant, we will add a few extra steps. I want you to listen carefully while I explain the steps we will take to replant our indoor plant. First, we are going to put on our gloves. If a plant becomes too large for its plant, let's just listen first. If a plant becomes too large for its pot, then it needs to be split and replanted. Now we have already identified the plant that needs replanting, so next we will take our clippers and cut the plant we are going to split, so the roots on both sides of the plant. Then we'll find the bottom of our pot, fill the bottom of our pot with enough soil, with just enough soil. We'll put our plant in the pot and add soil up to the base of the plant so our roots are buried. After planting the newly planted plant in the middle of the pot, ensuring the right height, we'll add soil around the plant. We'll pat the soil firmly around the plant to hold it in place, and finally, after we add enough soil, we will water our newly planted plant with a watering can. Now I want you to watch and listen as I show you how to replant our plant. I will repeat the 5 steps we will follow and then demonstrate the process. Here we go. We'll put on our gloves. We'll use our clippers to split the plant. We fill the bottom of our pot with soil. We place our plant in the pot at the proper height and add soil. Then we will use our watering can to water our newly planted plant. Now the first thing I will do is put on my gloves. Yes. How do I know? Because this is the first thing I do when repotting a plant. Next, I will use my clippers to split the plant. Like so. How do I know? Because this plant has become too large for its existing pot and needs to be split and replanted. Before placing my plant in the pot, I will fill the bottom of the pot with soil. Yes? How do I know? Because we need soil in the bottom of the pot before we place the plant in it. Next, will I water my plant? No. How do I know? Because first I have to place the plant in the pot and add soil up to the base of the plant, covering its roots.